I'm starting a business. What business form should I consider?
I'd recommend that you sit down with an attorney and walk through your potential options. The attorney will know what questions to be asking you. For purposes of this, let me run through some basics. If it's just you running the business, you can be a sole proprietorship. Means you're liable for everything you do. Actually, under almost any scenario, you're going to be liable for what you do. People think they can get out of that by forming a corporation or a limited liability. That's really not true. If you have employees or if you're going to be selling products that might injure people, that's the basic distinction for whether and when you need to form an entity to protect yourself. The basic entities that are available are a corporation or a limited liability company. Most people know what a corporation is. The interesting thing about a corporation is its basic structure works for a one-person corporation or for IBM or AT&T or Google. It's remarkable in that way, and the same basic rules apply. The complexities expand, but the same basic rules apply. An LLC is a relatively new animal. They've been available in most states for about the last 15 years, and they're relatively new. The beauty of an LLC is there really is no set structure. There's a default that the statutes provide, but beyond that, you can pretty much customize your relationship with the company and the relationship with others involved in the company as you wish. You really need to explore entities if you're going to be going into business with other people. You can form a general partnership. General partner means everybody is liable for everything that either partner does and any employee of the business does. Very risky. Strongly recommend that you consider incorporating or consider forming an LLC if you're going to be going into business with other people. Also makes it easier to raise money and has the added protection of insulating you from liability. All these questions are complicated. They all have tax impacts. Corporations are taxed in two possible ways: as a separate entity or as a flow-through to the owners of the company. LLCs are taxed just like partnerships, just like subchapter S corporations who elect to be taxed as a flow-through entity. I'd recommend that you talk to tax professionals and or a good business lawyer to help you answer the question and answer it in a way that makes most sense for you and your new business.
This trouble tip was brought to you by the Zelmer Law Group, Business and Real Estate Law.
GotTrouble.com, your one-stop legal directory.